What's the meaning of Conestoga? Conestoga. Conestoga.
Conestoga. Conestoga. Conestoga is a term that refers to the Conestoga wagon, which is a type of heavy covered wagon that was primarily used for transportation in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. The Conestoga wagon was mainly used for hauling goods over long distances, particularly in the United States. It was designed with a curved floor and sloping sides to prevent goods from shifting during transport. With its sturdy construction and large carrying capacity, the Conestoga wagon played a significant role in the westward expansion of the United States during the 19th century, serving as a vital tool for pioneers and traders alike.